India's first driverless metro to run in Delhi, how safe is unattended train operation mode? India's urban mass rapid transit will mark a milestone when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to flag off the country's first driverless metro in Delhi. The first driverless metro will roll out on 38-kilometer long line or Bangreta line of the Delhi Metro, which has a 390-kilometer long network spread across the national capital and adjoining cities such as Noida, Gurugram, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, and Bhadurga. Delhi Metro, now the country's largest urban mass transit system, has commenced operations on December 24, 2002 on 8.4 km stretch between Shahdara and Tis Hazari junctions. Since then, its network has been growing. With another 61 kilometers set to be added under the Phase 4 expansion project. Centre has also notified changes in the Metro Railway General Rules 2020 as previous norms did not allow the driverless services. Autonomous vehicle. A rapid advancement in autonomous vehicle technology with approaches focused on artificial intelligence has been seen worldwide. Further boosted self-driving vehicles to enter the forefront of public interest. The autonomous vehicle (AV) is also known as self-driving or automated vehicle, and in all predetermined circumstances, a recent development in the automotive industries will steer the driverless. Since 2010, when several countries allowed the use of these vehicles, the automated vehicles have become significant in the road traffic. However, the process of advancement of the automated vehicle has not been smooth till date. Previous several significant innovations have been collapsed immediately after their market launch owing to failure in achieving user requirements and satisfaction. In developing nations like India, maximum population suffers from unemployment, poor education, access, inferior environmental conditions, and mass death toll owing to road crashes. Potential benefits and applications of autonomous vehicles. See, the autonomous vehicles, fundamentally different from the human-driven vehicles, have some specific potential factors to be considered, which include smooth operation, reliability of vehicle-related services, cost of the technology, and AV technology is considered to have positive and negative impacts across the several industries. The automated vehicles can be seen from effective in reducing the road accidents, that is, in reducing the road accidents due to human-related causes. The automated vehicles will decrease the likelihood of clashes due to the driver error. At this time, the problems about the efficiency of AVs in secure setting cannot be totally ignored or eradicated. It is important to design a framework for AVs with object recognition power on the route, with advanced artificial intelligence techniques, different artifacts with varying behavior recognition render the AV sensor complex. The AVs, sometimes referred to as crashless cars, will prove safer with future enhanced sensors in the future. AVs also have a huge impact over traffic congestion. The AV's ability of sensing and anticipating the late vehicles, braking, and other decisions, which makes it also efficient in reducing the fuel consumption. The AVs with advanced braking and speed regulating technologies lead to fuel saving and reductions in traffic destabilization shockwave propagation of platooning vehicles. So this traffic destabilization shockwave propagation. So this is the advanced braking and speed regulation technologies lead to fuel savings and also reductions in traffic destabilization shockwave propagation of platooning vehicles.